Hello and welcome to Kit's Photography for this week. This time, a range of photographs from 2020. Hello and welcome to Kit's Photography. I'm Kit from Bremac Photography here in sunny South Australia. Welcome to my channel. Hello and welcome to the show. This time I'll be showing you a range of photographs I've taken during 2020. It's sort of my best of reel kind of thing. Now, I did go out for a couple of photo shoots this week, however, I didn't get an opportunity to film myself, so I thought rather I'd just show you this group of photographs. They were really good fun to take, and I used my D850 for the majority, and there were a few taken with my Nikon D800 as well. Now, I do have to say there is one photograph towards the end which might make a few people unhappy. It's from the bushfires. It's nothing too major, but to give something away, it is a dead kangaroo and who's been caught in the fire. So some people might find it a bit emotional. I do apologise to those people, and you can skip past if you wish. Other than that, it's a group of photographs from 2020, and I really hope you enjoy. So we start today with high dynamic range. Now, especially at night, high dynamic range works really well because you have the bright lights of the town, but then you also have the dark surround, so it brings everything to life and creates a really nice atmosphere. Now, these photographs were taken in the city of Adelaide at about midnight in February 2020. And it was about 30 degrees. The moon was out, but it was still quite cloudy. Now, 30 degrees Celsius, by the way, not Fahrenheit. This one here taken at Port Adelaide, and you can see how high dynamic range really makes the red and the blue contrast stand out. This one here taken at Port Noarlunga, and these ones here taken at the Clare Valley. High dynamic range really brings everything to life. Now, one of my favourites, Australian wildlife. Seals are always interesting to photograph. They always seem so active even if they're asleep. We're lucky here in Australia to have really unique wildlife like echidnas, who are really photogenic. And again, I love black and white. This is one of my favourite kangaroo photographs. And everyone loves the Tasmanian devil. Parrots are great to photograph because they're so colourful. But birds in general are great because they always have such personality. Magpies are my absolutely favourite bird in Australia. Now, international and global wildlife. These little guys here are called macaques, tiny little monkeys, or primates really, they should be called. Now some bigger primates. And everyone's favourite meerkat. Black and white really, I feel, makes him look like a rock star. Now, these guys here are called mandrills. They're not baboons, they're mandrills, which are quite similar, but they're pretty scary with their bright red and yellow colours. This is my favourite photograph, the cheetah. I was really lucky to capture that. Meerkats just really are very photogenic. And then lions. Everyone loves a lion. These lion photographs here were taken at Monarto Zoo, which is just fantastic to grab some photographs because it's all open plain and they're effectively in the wild. Chimpanzees, always photogenic, always looking really lovely. And silhouettes are good as well. Now here is the baby rhinoceros at Monarto Zoo again, very photogenic indeed. And a red panda. And a giant panda, again one of my favourite photographs. This is a mandarin duck. Everyone loves a giraffe. Now landscapes. This is taken of the city of Adelaide. And this is McLaren Vale in the wine region. This is the sunset at Seaford. And this is a view of Seaford. Now nighttime, my favourite time to photograph. And I love the Milky Way. And the moon is my absolute favourite thing to photograph at night. Really, there's so much atmosphere with the moon. Although there's not really, is there? Now you can take anything at night. This is taken with my D850 on a walk at about 10 PM. Now these photographs here are of the clipper ship, the City of Adelaide. You might remember in my previous video. They really do make a great abstract collection of photographs. Everything has personality and it can be captured. This is my favourite of that collection. Now old cars, old wrecks, anything with age, anything with atmosphere can be taken and made to look great as an abstract. This one here was taken at Aldinga. Now back to Kangaroo Island. Now, I know Kangaroo Island over the last few weeks has been quite in your mind, but these photographs here were taken during the bushfires, and this one might be a bit much for some people. But these ones were taken in my latest trip, and you may remember them from my Kangaroo Island special. Kangaroo Island was a great place to take photographs, and really there's just such wonderful people, and you can take a photograph with the Milky Way with your phone. Not that that one was. And now a bonus photograph. This one was taken at a protest and I won a journalism award for it. I call it the face in the crowd. Well, I hope you enjoyed Kit's photography for this week. I know it wasn't the normal out and about and showing a photo shoot, but rather just a group of photographs. But still, I hope you did enjoy it. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really makes a difference. And I'll see you next time.